first graders, how are you? Today I want to share with you some stories that are going to be stories that we would have read during EL time, and we're going to do a practice of comparing two different texts. This is something that we have had a lot of practice at. I'm going to be asking you some questions about text features, asking you some questions about birds, things that you remember. So feel free to answer the questions as you're listening to the stories. All right, so today we're going to be comparing specifically between just ducks and birds. And we're going to be looking at how birds are nesting. We're going to be picking up information about how birds are nesting and how ducks are nesting to answer some questions and to add to what we already know and have already learned about birds. So, listen closely. In spring, there won't be as many ducks on the way home because they'll be busy nesting. For almost a month, the mother ducks will sit on their eggs, hidden away, sometimes in some pretty funny places. Last year, one made her nest in our greenhouse. When the ducklings hatched, they had to climb the wall at the back of the yard, then jump down to follow their mom to the river. Mallard ducks make their nests on the ground and lay between 8 and 13 eggs. Predators like to eat eggs and ducklings, so mother ducks hide their nests carefully. As soon as the ducklings hatch, mother ducks get them to water no matter what, because they are safer there from cats and other hungry creatures. Okay, let's think about some of the things that we just heard about ducks when they make their nests. What were some facts that you heard about ducks? Maybe a fact that you shared was that ducks sit on their eggs. Maybe a fact you shared is that ducks make their nests on the ground. Maybe you said that predators like to eat eggs, so the ducks have to hide their nests carefully. Maybe you said that the duck mothers have to get their baby ducklings to the water quickly because that's where they'll be safe. When we look and see at this page, we learned a lot of information about ducks and how they nest to become ready for their eggs. When we are reading the information, there are some little facts here near the pictures. What text feature is this called? If you don't know, keep thinking. There is a text feature, a name for this kind of text feature that gives you more information about the picture. Yes, we call these text features captions. What do we call them? Yes, captions. All right, now we're going to use what we learned in Just Ducks and try to add to our information about nesting from looking at our Scholastic book Birds. When I'm starting with the Scholastic book Birds, where do you think I should turn first? I want more information about nesting. Where should I turn first? If you said the table of contents, kiss your brain. When I open up my book, I'm going to flip to the table of contents. This is going to give me lots of information. The table of contents helps me know which page I should go to read more about any of these topics. Now think, remember that Miss Ryan said we want to learn about nesting today. What page do you think that we should go to? As I scan the table of contents, I see making nests is on page 22. I see the word nests. That tells me that maybe that page will have some information about nesting. Let's turn to page 22. I have to make sure I'm being gentle with the books. Okay, page 22. My finger is on the heading. I'm going to read the heading out loud, then I'll read the page, and then I'm going to ask you some questions, and I'm going to ask you if you know what the names of these different text features are. Listen closely. Making nests. Nests keep eggs and chicks safe. Some birds build amazing nests. Different nests. Some birds build round nests in trees. Both parents often help build them. Owls may find holes in trees to nest in. The chicks hide inside. A weaver bird's nest hangs from a branch. The door is at the bottom. Storks can build nests high up on chimneys. Puffins dig burrows. They line them with leaves, grass, and seaweed. Some birds don't make nests. They lay spotted eggs on the ground. Birds build nests out of twigs and soft things like animal fur. What was one fact you heard about bird nests? Maybe you shared that the bird nests can be near trees and that both parents help to build them. Maybe you had a different fact that you shared. Let's look and see what are some text feature examples that we see on this page. What kind of text feature is this here? If you said caption, kiss your brain, nice job. What kind of text feature is this? Yes, caption. What kind of text feature is this? Yes, heading. All right, now we're going to use what we have learned from just ducks and from birds to think you can help me write a sentence about something that birds do to help protect their eggs. I'll record a sentence on the whiteboard here. You can record a sentence on paper, or you can share this sentence out loud to a family member. All right. So we can say one thing that we have learned about birds is that birds make nests to keep their eggs safe. Okay, starting with a capital letter at the beginning of the sentence. Birds. This will be easier for me. Birds make, what word am I looking for? Yes, nests. Sound it out if you don't know how to spell it. Nests. Birds make nests to keep eggs safe. What do I need at the end of this sentence? Yes, I need a period at the end of this sentence. All right, let's point and read the sentence together. Get ready. Birds make nests to keep eggs safe. This is one simple sentence. You can add more sentences to your work now. If you want to draw a picture of a bird or a bird's eggs and nests, you can draw and label that picture and text a photo to your teacher. Thank you for tuning in. Next time, we'll see what else we can learn about birds.